Hi Boilermakers, we're coming to you today from the Engineering Mall. Here's what you need to know right now from Purdue University. Boilermaker alum and pilot Captain Sully Sullenberger is coming back to Purdue. The pilot of the Miracle on the Hudson flight will join President Chang for a presidential lecture on November 4th at 4 p.m. in the Elliott Hall of Music. The event is free, but a general admission ticket is required. The Federal Aviation Administration has announced the Purdue Airport will receive a $1.5 million grant for the new Earhart Terminal. The new 8,000 square foot facility will be located to the west of the existing terminal. Welcome Brett Marsh, the next Dean of the College of Veterinary Medicine. Marsh is a Purdue alum and most recently served as Indiana State veterinarian. Purdue is celebrating the dedication of 2 new construction projects on campus. The new Hall of Data Science and AI is a cutting-edge facility designed to meet the growing demand for data science graduates, and the first floor of the Max W. and Maileen Brown Family Hall of Electrical Engineering features new lab and research space, as well as student collaboration spaces. Purdue will host semiconductor industry leaders in West Lafayette and in Washington, D.C. as part of the university's 3rd annual Semiconductor Week, October 28th through November 1st. Make plans to join the NR STEM Era Makerspace, Purdue University's pre-concert party for fans November 2nd and 3rd in Circle Center Mall. And tickets for the 91st annual Purdue Christmas Show, December 7th and 8th, are on sale now. Have a great week, and as always, Boiler out.